Steez, Steezing. Yep, so we're Steezing, bro. Best believe we're Steezing. Yeah. Yo, CPT and the world. Welcome back to the Lyric Lounge. It's your boy Steezing with the Oasis, and you know we have fire this time. Always fire. Best believe it's fire. So in the studio today, I got my boy Steezing. Yep, so we're Steezing, bro. Best believe he's Steezing. Yeah. So he's in the studio today. He's from Goodwood. So nice. So we're gonna find out more what makes you tick, bro.
Let's go.
So Steez, how long have you been making music, bro?
I've been making music for about 4 years.
4 years.
But only recording for like 3.
I was just gonna ask them. So you feel like you've been writing and then when the time to make writing and recording is done. Alright. Bro, so you were inspired from a young age already, Sinjay?
Yep. It's from my cousins. They would just used to listen to like the thing is they didn't listen to like the old like one thing. Like they used to put me onto like everything. So I was like, whoa. Alright. Let me see if I can do this. And then,
alright. So like if I take you back, who would be an artist back in the day that you can think of, man?
Back in the day.
Like are you saying they took you back in or like who would stand out for you that like would push you to, like you said, this is like the sound I'm also driving for now, or like who pushed you to that?
Oh, I'll say Joey Badass.
Okay.
J. Cole, Jaddy.
And
yeah, I'll say those three.
Those three. Those niggas can spit, bro. Those niggas have bars for days. And that shit is conscious. That shit ain't just not I'm talking shit out my ass, I'm taking money, booty. Nah, those niggas have a story to tell. So I feel you there. So those are the niggas that inspire you, your music. So you're also like a conscious rapper, or is it? I wouldn't
say conscious because I haven't tried that yet. For now, like I just try to like make people know that I can rap.
Okay.
So I'm just like
so punchlines
or whatever, just to say, just to show people, okay, this kid can rap, he can do his thing.
Nah, so it's like a startup. You're starting up now. You're trying to also get to the level where other niggas are.
Yeah.
So you're pushing like that. Okay, I feel you. Now we all have to start somewhere, bro. Like you can't just make a track tomorrow and blow up. You know.
Nope.
You can't just make a track tomorrow and blow up. Since like I've been making music long now. Made just music for a long time now. I still didn't blow up, bro. But I thought of different ways of getting out there. Since Lyric Lounge, getting people to see what else we can do, Sinjay. But that's what I'm waiting, bro. Like I know. It's like, do you have a project out? Like I do. Your project.
It's a mixtape that dropped on 19th of May. It's called CPT Rookie.
CPT Rookie. Alright. The link is gonna be here somewhere. Best believe you're gonna find it. Best believe you're gonna find it. You're gonna find it. Yeah, bro. Now, last week I had an artist on that said her trademark is to pass knowledge on to artists. What would be your trademark?
My trademark would be a guy like when he raps. You can say he sounds like a whole lot of different people, but you'll know he's from Cape Town.
Okay, so you want to be versatile, man. So you want to go out there being versatile, but you want them to know. But you're gonna know. Okay. So I'm guessing in the way like you're gonna spit is gonna be different, but the slang what you're gonna be saying.
I'm gonna try and implement it as much as I can.
That's dope. That's dope. I'm actually excited to go listen to the tape, bro. So like when you're done here, definitely send me them links so I can send the tracks. I go listen to them, bro. I'll definitely follow up on that shit, and we're gonna make sure that you follow up on that as well. Don't forget it.
Tape, bro.
Nah, don't forget the tape. Don't forget the tape. CPT Rookie, bro. Now, how many tracks on that tape?
There's 11 tracks on the tape.
11 tracks on the tape. 11 tracks on the tape. And is it like all like stories, or is it like just bounce with it? You know,
I think
everyone's making that kind of music now. You know, even I won't lie, Mother Legends like
J.
Cole come to trap
with the
niggas
bounce.
that say they didn't want to trap. Now they trapping like is it all the same style, or can I expect to like have like versatile things getting thrown at me?
Yeah, I tried a lot of things on the mixtape. Well, a lot of different things, different beats, different ways to like do this shit. But it's all like organized. Like the first section is like rap, and then the second part is like just like not singing, but more like.
Oh, okay, you coming through with your trade vibes as well. Coming through. God, stop, bro. Now I'm actually excited because I'm a singer. So I actually want to go, what this nigga can do, Sinjay. Maybe future features.
Yes.
Future features. I think I'm going to have a segment on my show called that now. Future features. I think I should do that. let me hold me to that. Right, future features. Bro, you see, like, we learn and we grow every day, bro. Now, like I see at the back we can find you everywhere on just Steez.
Yep.
Right? So, the name, Steez, where did it come from, bro?
It came from skating. Because I used to skate when I was in grade 9, like, with all the homies, like, a lot. And then I saw another skateboarder, Daddy East tag, so I was like, nah, I'm gonna take that, see what I can do with it. And then somehow in high school it just stuck. Like, people just be like, oh, I Steez, and I'm like, oh, yeah.
That's good. Like, oh, shit,
yes,
I forgot that's
me. And then through it becoming like a nickname, kept it with the artist name. I was just like trying to do the thing. And I tried to explain to people that I came from skating because everyone's like, oh, capital Steez. But then I was like, I know that he's RIP to the homie and he was dope, but that's not me. I'm just Steez.
Not just Steez, bro. Nah, I feel you there, bro. So, like, what do you think of this platform that you're on? Do you think, like, this could give other artists another platform to get onto or, like, to get out?
Yeah, definitely. Because, like, you can just tell your friends to watch it. Like, you tell your homies, they tell their homies, and then it's like, oh, snap, all the homies, like, links is going to be everywhere in the thing also.
Oh, yeah. So, it does work. It helps the networking, though.
Yep, definitely.
So, like, we know you have the tape now. Like, I just want to know what track you're going to perform today, bro. Because now...
Perform the title track of the tape. It's called CPT Rookie.
CPT Rookie. I know. I'm excited, bro. I'm hoping you're going to kill it, bro, because, like, I know SLK was there. Bro, I had other artists, Nash. They were killing it, so you better pull through because you're going to have to follow off the legends. The legends, bro. So you better come hard, bro. So I believe you're going to do it.
Thanks.
I believe you're going to do it. Anyway, so, like, I'm out because this nigga, I'm excited for this shit. This is what this nigga can do with that shit.
Slick with the shit, I don't walk, I'ma float in this bitch, take a pic, make it look just like Vogue, some shit, damn I'm so cold, got me feeling like I am a Vogue and shit. Woo! You see these bullets each seeking, I'm taking all the shots, I be on my shit, 10 toes down, keep swimming, don't drown, little nigga, you gon' be on now. Ay, I'ma put it on for my hometown, 7460, yeah, that's a G-town, me and my niggas gon' hold it down. Best believe that I am older now. Raps in my recipe, balls in my remedy, you cannot stand next to me, cause I bring the heat, I am so deadly, please don't be mad at me, women, we the wear the shit sound like chemistry, damn.
I be feeling like the rookie of the year. I am the #1 pick. I am none of your compare. Dog, I cannot stop now. I switched up to a higher gear. Dunk a 3 right in your face. Yeah, that's some shit you never seen.
Hold up, nigga, please. I'm so cold, dog, I'm sick with the sneeze. Damn, Steez, you the shit. I guess I am the bee's knees, man, too legit. Hopped up on my board, let me try a kick flip. And I know my niggas dirty, get the fuck on my dick. Rookie of the year, boy, I'm killing this shit. Man, these niggas cannot top me, I'm the #1 pick.
These niggas be craving the clout. I'm on my way to the different route. Fuck what you say, I be selling shit out. I be taking the crown, see my haters off out.
I be in my bag, nigga, all year round. City gon' dumb, nigga, crowd gon' round. Homie got the gas on deck, then we out. Niggas talking shit, oh you bitch, close your mouth.
I